An seachtain seo tá muid ag foghlaim faoin mríthair I, to eat, and the theme of our spellings is bia, food. So we're going to conjugate verbs into the past tense, an aimsir caite, the present tense, an aimsir láithreach, and the future tense, an aimsir áisteanach. And if you look there at the man, he's in the past, the present, and the future.
Oh, Jesus. Red alert! Red alert!
Yes, it's an irregular verb, bríthar na bhrialta. An aimsir caite, dit me I ate, dit tú you ate, dit sé he ate, dit she ate, dit hamar we ate, dit shiv ye ate, dit siad they ate, I níre. An aimsir láithreach, ihem I eat, ihen tú you eat, ihen sé he eats, ihen she eats, ihen mid we eat, ihen shiv ye eat, ihen siad they eat, an ihen ní ihen. An aimsir áisteanach, isi me I will eat, isi tú you will eat, isi sé he will eat, isi she will eat, isa mid we will eat, isi shiv ye will eat, isi siad they will eat, an isi ní isi. Úil, apple, banana, sioclóid, chocolate, milseán, sweets, óráiste, orange. Fiol, meat, ceapara, sandwich, salad, salad, uachtaráite, ice cream, scalóga, chips. So structure aberta, sentence structure. So we always start with the bríthar, so that's I, followed by the subject of her. Now, you can pick le for with, agus for and, to help you. Again, this is to make your sentences a bit longer. You can also include an och and an a place and a time to expand your sentences further. Mar hampla, dit tú ceapara le scalóga inné. You ate a sandwich with chips yesterday. Ihin an taltra óráiste agus úil sa siopa. The nurse eats an orange and an apple in the shop. Isi siad sioclóid agus uachtaráite scoil ag cathrú chuna trí. They will eat chocolate and ice cream at school at 2:45.
Agus tá mé dénta, we're done.